Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Can you see me? Good evening. Good
Yes,
afternoon.
yes, yes. Now I can see.
So, how are you
Yeah, good
doing?
afternoon. Just preparing for session.
Oh, wow, that's nice. I like when my learners wait for the session. Okay, Sonam, this is our first session together, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
So
Tell me
I
something
just give
about.
the quick in.
Yeah,
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 yeah.
tell me.
My name is Sonam Yadav,
Mhm.
and I live in Mumbai.
Okay,
Now I'm doing the job as account assistant.
okay. Yeah, I just saw it. So, you've done something in accounts, Sonam? What if you've studied accounts at what level? School, college?
I completed my MCom
Okay, okay.
and now pursuing my MBA also in finance.
Wow, you like accounts.
Sorry,
Sonam, there's a lot of noise coming behind you. Can you?
because there is a construction work is going on. That's
Okay,
why.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
If
all
I
right.
going to the inside my home, so the internet problem. That's why I'm sitting outside now.
Okay, that's all right. That's all right. All right, Sonam. So, tell me more. How is Mumbai? How is the weather there? Is it already hot?
Weather? No, not so much hot. Little bit. Uh, because there is a now the Mumbai situation is too hard. Like a coronavirus is so much there.
Mm,
That is that is a problem. Otherwise, it's nice environment.
yeah, I know, but COVID is really increasing, and in Mumbai, a lot of areas, the COVID news is spreading like fire. Are people wearing masks or they're not?
Yes, yes,
People,
yes.
people
We
are wearing masks.
going. Yeah, yeah. If we are not
Okay.
wearing the mask, we have to. We supposed to pay the 200 rupees.
Pay fine.
Money.
No, that is important also because people don't listen now, so the government has to be really strict. There's no other
Yeah,
option.
yeah.
All right. Sonam,
Where
have
are
you?
you?
I'm calling you from Delhi.
I, okay.
I'm very far off from you. I've been wanting to coming to Mumbai, and I've been wanting to stand in front of Shah Rukh Khan's Mannat and take a picture. I'm a huge fan of his. You seen his
Oh
house?
my God.
Have you seen his house?
Yeah, I see. It's
Wow.
yeah, I seen. It's very close to my. It's close to my house. Like
Oh, wow.
half an hour we can reach their house,
Oh,
bungalow. Yeah,
so
it's
does
close to
it?
the Juhu Chowpatty.
Oh, yes, yes. So what, really outside his house, there are so many people standing for his one wave of for his, just to see him. Yeah.
Yes,
Oh
yes,
God.
yes.
You've
Yeah.
also been there. Have you ever gone?
No,
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 you don't
I
like.
have not do all that.
You've not
Because
done that.
I'm not big fan of Shah Rukh Khan. I'm big fan of Salman Khan.
No, Dabang stars. You've gone in front of his house. Have you waited for him to come out and see him?
No,
No.
that I'm not that much of fan roaming
Okay,
around
not
him. Uh,
that
just
much of a
like the
big fan.
acting.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, all right. Okay, Sonam, did you have a look at the session document today that was sent to you?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so
I
we'll
look
talk
it and
about
I
that.
prepare.
Oh wow, that's
Yes.
nice. That's nice. So tell me, what is the session document and what have you prepared? We'll start with you today.
Uh, the se- yes, yes. The session document is about the goals, how we achieve our goals,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So I'm I told you about how I achieved my goals, like my study, how I completed my MCom, BCom, what. So during my childhood, in the 10th, when I'm the 10th standard,
When you were
so
in 10th.
it's yeah, yeah, when we are 10. So I wanted to be the like a first class pass in exam, like 60% is it's first class
Okay.
in the Maharashtra board. Okay, so
Okay.
I wanted to be achieve the 60% of goal percent
Hmm.
in my mark sheet.
Okay.
So it's my first goal in the childhood. So
Okay.
for this, I prepare my whole like a time wise plan when I should study and how much time I've given to the all the subjects, so that I will prepare, and I achieved in the 75% in SSC exam. I planned
Wow.
for the 60%, then I achieved the 75%. It's my biggest achievement in when I in childhood.
Okay, that's nice.
Then then when I passed the 10th exam, then I wanted to be a I like I wanted to be a more study. Like I
More
achieved
studious.
so
You
many
want?
of I wanted to be a so many of degree like
I wanted to
MA.
have.
Yeah, I wanted to have a so many of degree like uh, in 10th exam I don't want to be go the commerce field. I wanted to
Okay.
be in the like arts. The
Okay.
but in my family us are wanted to go in the commerce line. So you
Oh,
get the very good you get a very good job because my marks in the maths is good, but I wanted to
okay.
become a teacher. I wanted to
Oh,
personally is my I wanted to become a teacher, but so my family is wanting no, you select the commerce, so you get the very good job in future. So
okay.
I go, then I going the commerce field. Then
Okay.
in commerce, I love the subject. Accounts is my most favorite subject.
Okay.
Hello,
Yes, 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 I can hear you.
you're something paused. Your okay, your video's paused.
Is it okay now?
So then I go to the yes, yes, yes. Then I passed my 12th exam. Again the first class. Then after the my marks is good, so that I will decided to I will completed my graduations in after completed my graduation I will decided I am completed my masters also, so that I if I completed the masters I will get a good job in future. I'm
Okay.
so that's are my that's why that is my goal in
Okay.
so
In life.
after the completing my MCom, then I will decide no, it's not enough. Something is new. I also achieved. Then I now I'm pursuing my MBA. It's like
My
I don't
God.
know after the MBA. Then what's my next goal? I don't know. But currently, my goal is improving my English because if I
Hmm.
completed when I'm completed the MBA, I'm going for the job in MNC company. If then there is a supposed to you have to fluent in English. That's why
True.
it's now if you call it's my short term goal to improve my English, so I will get a very good job in the MNC company.
Wow. Very good. Right. I really like the way you spoke your goals. Nice, Sonam. I have a few points here for you. Are you all right with me correcting you on them? Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
The first thing that I could encounter was, Sonam, you mentioned I wanted to be achieved. This sentence, we will not use this sentence. We will use I wanted to achieve because it's in past tense. You wanted to become a
Okay,
teacher, past tense. You had to do accounts, past tense. Your family wanted you to do accounts, past tense. So here, wanted will come, and wanted to achieve is correct. Wanted to be achieved is not correct. Yeah, you want to achieve something, so wanted and to be don't go together. Okay, so you repeat
okay.
after me. Wanted to achieve. Say this.
I wanted to achieve.
Great. This is the correct
Uh,
sentence.
okay.
Yeah.
I wanted want is the first form and wanted is the second form, which means the
Yes.
second
Wanted
past
is something
tense.
that has already
Oh,
passed. I wanted to become a teacher. I wanted to
okay.
become so and so. Okay. Second thing, again, I think there's a slight problem in only your past tenses. Your present is fine. Second thing that you said was, it's my first goal. Now, this goal of yours to achieve 60% was past tense, right? Can you hear me?
Oh, okay. Yes,
You
yes,
can,
yes.
okay. So in past
Just
tense,
little bit
no,
breaking your voice, just little bit.
yeah, that's probably, there's some network. Hello, Kamal, there's probably some network, because even behind you there's a lot of noise coming. Better now?
Yes, yes, now better.
Yeah. Okay. So the second thing that we'll talk about is, it's my first goal. If you want to fulfill one goal today, say for in the next 2 years you want to do something, then you say, Neha, my first goal today is so and so. But once you have accomplished your goal, it has already happened. So here you will say, it was my biggest goal to get 60% or to get a first rank percentage. Was past tense, because it's already happened.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Um, I am completed my masters. Again, no, I had completed, because past tense. So anything, Komal, I'll make it very simple for you. We'll not go into the crucial English forms. Anything that has happened, like I had breakfast in the morning. It was Friday yesterday. I wanted to
Okay.
become a teacher. So this means everything. All these are examples of past tense. Past tense is
Okay.
something that has already happened. Whether you achieved it or you did not achieve it is a different thing, but it's already happened. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, okay. And then it is short term. Say short term.
Short term.
Yes, great. This is the correct pronunciation of short term. All right. Komal. Sonam, from whatever conversation we had, I can make out that you are talking, you have the confidence to speak, you can carry forward the conversation. Like I gave you, you had the topic of goals, and you very beautifully talked about your goals, that this is what I wanted to become, this is how I changed my stream. You wanted to become a teacher, you came into accounts. So, but what we are talking has to be supported by the vocabulary that we are talking. So anything that has passed already becomes had, wanted to. Okay. Now, I'll give you an example of a future tense. Now, if you want to work in a good multinational company, so you'll say, Neha, I want to improve my communication so that I can work in a MNC, because it is future tense.
Future. Yeah,
Yes.
it's a future
Okay.
tense.
Yeah. You got that?
Yes, yes.
So just tell,
Uh,
I have,
uh,
yeah, yeah, tell me.
Tell me something more than my goal. It's not completed because like a future's my goal. I'm talking the past goal. Now I'm talking about my future goal.
Yeah, yeah, tell
Okay.
me, what is your future goal?
Uh, so now if I completed hardly 2 3 months, I completed my MBA. Then I will join the MNC company
MNC.
in future.
Okay.
If yeah, it's my dream if I financially stable in my life. So I personally want to donate my money to the orphanage people, child,
Wow.
and educate them. It's my dream. It's I for financially stable in my life in future.
That's beautiful, Sonam. That is just amazing. Amazing. You know, you have a very beautiful heart. You can think so well for the underprivileged and these kind of people. Beautiful. And I really hope that,
Yes,
with Clappingo sessions and with more practice, you are able to have a very good English. And we see you as an accounts manager in some big firm one day. Yeah?
I hope
Yeah?
so. Yes, but
Great.
Clappingo is if I say in Clappingo is very like improve my communication skill.
Kavu, I'm
If
coming.
I
Yeah. Yeah.
sorry, uh, it's a
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
I say the Clappingo, the your platform is very good because it's very improving for my side. My communication skill
Yeah.
also and the fluency because when I'm see my first session, I will not
Okay.
communicate because I so much
Used to
fumble because the
fumble.
first time I'm speaking some
Mhm,
stranger person, I
mhm.
literally fumble.
I know. I
And now
know.
after the 2 3 session, after the
Mm.
two, it's my I think fifth or sixth sessions.
Oh,
Now
wow.
I'm not fumbling. I
You're not
speak
fumbling.
whatever in.
And yes, that is very important. You have to learn to speak, because when you speak is only when the speaker can realize that where you are going wrong and where you need the correction. It's important to speak. Like if you don't speak, then we will not
Yeah,
get to know where you are fumbling or where are your stop
yeah,
points. Yeah,
yeah.
that's nice.
That is a two things I keep in mind. I do not use the Hindi word, any word. I do not
Wow.
explain in the Hindi word. And the second one is I keep on talking, so you can observe me more.
Yeah. True, true, true. All right, Sonam, I think we are coming towards the end of the session. Keep practicing your English and do some mirror exercise and some mirror practices. Yeah. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Yeah. All right. All
Okay,
right,
okay,
Sonam. Have a good
okay, okay.
day. Bye bye.
Bye, 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 man.